Hello there! Today we are going to make a beautiful flower. So let's see, what do we have in our book? Wow, we see a beautiful flower right here. Yes, and we have 4 steps to follow. So let's start with our first step. Yes, we will begin by making a circle in the center or almost in the center of our paper. After the small circle, let's make a very light big circle outside so that the circle which is small gets in the center of it. Once we are done with that, we will start making petals opposite to each other. Yes, just like a helicopter fan. Once we are done making 4 of them, we will start making it in the middle of 2 petals. Something like this. And make sure all your petals should touch the outer circle line. That is how all the petal size will be same. And then let's make this beautiful curved line for the stem as well as for the leaf. Make the next one now. You can keep your book however you wish to, so that it is easier for you to draw. I am comfortable like this, hence I have turned the book and kept it. Once we are done with that, let's make the leaf on the side, for which we need to make a beautiful curve. This looks amazing. Now we will take our sketch pen and start sketching our flower. Make sure you do not sketch the rough parts. For example, over here, the circle which we have made on the outer side is a rough part, so we cannot sketch it. Complete sketching all the petals in a similar way. This looks lovely. Let's sketch the leaf and the stem properly. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Well, I like it too. And now it's time for us to erase all the pencil marks we see. So, grab your eraser and run it through the entire paper. This is great. Let's take our colors and start coloring now. At first, we will take a very dark red and start coloring in the middle darkly. And then let's take a dark orange color and color on top. Something like this. Let's color in a darker way with our red, a little lighter with it like this. And then continue doing it for all the petals. And then we will take our dark orange color and blend it with it completely. Blend it slowly and nicely. Yes, let's do the same thing for all the petals. Make sure you do not go out of the outline. If you want to highlight the bottom part, You can do it with your red color once again. This looks beautiful. Can we take our yellow color and start coloring the center of the flower? Wow, this looks amazing. Let's take our light green color for the stem and color inside. This looks beautiful. And can you guess which color are we going to do for the leaves? Oh yes, you're absolutely right. We have chosen olive green color for this one. Color slowly and nicely. Yes, only in one direction. Please do not worry if your colors are not exactly like the ones mentioned in the book. You can take the colors closest to the one mentioned here and color your entire beautiful flower. Well, look at that. Our flower is blooming and looking lovely.